Hello everybody and welcome back to the Financial Projections Excel spreadsheet. We're finishing off the free cash flow section. In the last video at the end I got to solve the minus increase in accounts receivable. I'll show you what the table is. So that's how you get the correct answer all the way from the free cash flow sheet. This has to relate from the previous sheet on the financial projection model, which the sheet I did most of the calculations on. So yeah, that's it. So now I have to find and calculate the minus increase in inventories. But before I do that, let's read the heading story. This is the increase in the inventory that has not been recognised as per the COGS, but was fully paid for and therefore is deducted from the cash flow. Okay, so this is the table on how to calculate the minus increase in inventories. The answer for the first one for D is €50.46. That's right. E is €53.09, F is $56.69, G is $60.10, and H is $63.70. Okay, next heading. The increase in A divided E represents costs that have not as yet been paid and therefore is added back to the cash flow, and this is called plus increase in accounts payable. €40.81, it's correct. 41.14 for A. F is €43.61, G 46.23, H is €49. Now let's go into the next one. Like the increase in the P, these are taxes that are not as yet been paid. This is called plus increase in taxes payable. Change that to 91 because that seems to be the previous one, which is accounts payable. Okay, now let's fix it off. Okay, that's correct. That's the taxes payable for increase. So next one is the cash for operations. So let's solve that. That is correct. So now let's go into tax as percentage EBIT. See what the problem is. C14. Yeah, that was it. Okay, last not least, one more calculation left in the free cash flow sheet. Before I do that, let's read the line. This is the cash that the firm can use to distribute to any and all of its suppliers of capital, such as shareholders and debt holders. Okay, let's calculate the free cash flow or unlevered free cash flow. D14 minus D15. That's all you have to do. Okay, so that's the free cash flow complete. As you see, the next box are blank. So that's how to calculate the free cash flow. For the next sheet, I didn't have time to bother to, write down the tables from this sheet. It's way too much and I waste much more of my time, and it's too much to enter in. So instead, I will present and show it to all of you instead of working them on. So, lever bet equals financial projection model, exclamation mark 54. I see that's where you see why this is too many calculations. Yeah, that's simply how to calculate existing DIE ratio. Unlevered beta. Let me show you the end of that table. Assumed market risk premium is 8.40%. Cost of unlevered equity equals financial projection model exclamation mark B6 plus bracket valuation of firm, two brackets of the DCF, which is discounted cash flow, exclamation mark B7 multiplied by valuation of firm, two brackets BCF, exclamation mark B8 bracket. This is the ACC of the existing DWE. The note is cost of debt before tax increases at DIE ratio, which is debt and equity ratio increases from by that. We have 14 plus 0.01. Dollar signs involved in the BETA section. Okay, here comes the cash flow to the capital. Free equals free cash flow bracket exclamation mark D16, E16, F16, G16, H16 equals H22 multiplied by 1 financial projection model exclamation mark B55 divide that by bracket B13 by financial projection model exclamation mark B55 H24 divided by B13 minus financial projection model by B55. And you see with growth model is bigger and has more than the note growth model. E equals G21 multiplied by 1 plus financial projection model exclamation mark B55 bracket G21 which is here, yeah. Okay, and then the PV, sorry, that get cancelled. That's the PV below the capital assumed growth rate after last year. This is the net present value. The discounted cash flow of year 1. That's year 2. That's year 3. That's year 4. And that's year 5. Same particular thing to the present value of flows to capital at no growth after last year. Total value of firm assumed growth rate less debt. And it's the whole table here. Similar one to the total value of no growth less debt. Total value of firm assumed growth rate terminal year. Total value of firm assumed rate grow less existing debt. Now that is mainly all to present and what's there on the sheet. So that's what you need to know. I'll basically show you all most of the tables for the evaluation of firm sheet for discounted cash flow. The free cash flow is finished and the financial projection model is finished. So that's it for today. That is officially the end of the sheet. So thank you all for watching this. Wash your hands and stay safe. Have a good, pleasant evening. Adios.